AI engineer, the most in-demand role in tech for 2026, 143% job growth, average comp $245,000. But where do you actually start? What do you learn and in what order? Here's the complete roadmap. 9 phases, 6 to 9 months from zero to job ready. Phase 1, Python, the language every AI tool speaks first, variables, loops, data structures, Git. If you can't code it, you can't build it. Phase 2, math. Yes, there's math, linear algebra, probability, statistics, but you don't need a PhD, just enough to understand what the models are actually doing. Phase 3, machine learning, scikit-learn, regression, classification. This is where you teach a machine to learn from data for the first time. And honestly, it feels like magic. Phase 4, deep learning, neural networks, PyTorch, convolutional and recurrent architectures. This is where things get powerful and your GPU starts crying. Phase 5, large language models and prompt engineering. The defining skill of 2026, OpenAI, Anthropic APIs, prompt design, fine-tuning with LoRa. This is where the job market is on fire right now. Phase 6, RAG and vector databases, embeddings, Pinecone, Chroma, chunking strategies. This is how you ground AI in your own data instead of hallucinating Wikipedia articles. Phase 7, AI agents, LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI. Build AI that doesn't just answer questions but takes actions, calls tools, and books your flights. Well, almost. Phase 8, MLOps and deployment, Docker, cloud, CI/CD monitoring. A model in a notebook is a science project. A model in production is an engineering achievement. Phase 9, portfolio and job prep, 3 to 5 real projects on GitHub, technical blog posts, interview practice. Certificates are nice. A deployed RAG chatbot is nicer. That's the complete AI engineer roadmap for 2026. 9 phases, Python to production. Every skill builds on the last. 3 pieces of advice before you start. First, build projects at every phase. A deployed chatbot beats 10 certificates. Hiring managers want proof, not paper. Second, you don't need to master everything. Most roles want strong foundations plus 1 or 2 deep areas. Apply when you're 80% ready, not 100. Third, ship something every month. A blog post, a tool, a demo. That consistency is what separates engineers from course collectors. Your roadmap starts now. Go build something.